What are 6 and 7 figure earners doing differently from you and I? They are working harder on themselves. Why? To become more valuable to the market, building their brand. Once you have established a brand and building a community around your brand, you can now have multiple links whereby people can click on the link and purchase your product. If you have a book, people can purchase your book. If you are in affiliate marketing, people can purchase your products. If you have your own products, people can purchase your products. If you are in network marketing, digital marketing, whichever business you are in, you can be in real estate, you can have stocks, products, whatever the case might be, services. People will buy into your products and services. Why? Because of your brand. Why? Because you are working harder on yourself, becoming attractive to the marketplace. You are the go-to expert that your potential market can see, and you are building that know, like, and trust, that deeper bond. Business is all about connections, building your network, building that deeper relationship so that people trust you. Know, like, and trust. People buy from you when they know, like, and trust you. That is what 6 and 7 figure earners are doing. No matter which products you have, once your brand is established and you are providing value to the marketplace, you can have multiple links to multiple products and services. People will buy from you. For example, when McDonald's or KFC comes up with new products or sells new products, let's talk about McDonald's. When they have some new French fry or milkshakes or burgers, whatever the case might be, people buy that. Why? Because of McDonald's brand. People know about McDonald's. The same with KFC. If KFC comes up with a new flavor chicken, people will buy that new flavor chicken. Why? Because of the brand, their promise. A brand is a promise you are making. A brand has nothing to do with you, but everything to do with your promise, how you are serving and helping your niche market. If this video was helpful, thank you and you're welcome.